Hey y'all, today we're going to be making a chicken and broccoli pasta alfredo, and you only need one chicken breast to make this whole recipe. Go ahead and clean up your chicken and remove any excess fat or weird pieces off of it, and then we're going to fillet it down into several pieces so that it fries very well. Add it to a bowl with some all-purpose flour, salt and pepper, and just let it sit. Then go ahead and cut up your broccoli, add some salted butter to the pan. Once it starts melting and browning, add your chicken, and we're going to fry that chicken in that delicious butter until they make a beautiful little brown crust on the outside. And this shouldn't take but maybe 5 to 7 minutes, maybe 3 to 4 minutes per side. It goes quick if you have your skillet on a high heat, which I did. By frying your chicken in butter like this, it doesn't only add extra delicious flavor and make your chicken taste awesome, it creates a function called fond in the bottom of your pan, which is what we're looking for in this recipe. That's the extra flavor we've been searching for. After your chicken is done, remove it and add in your cut up broccoli. Make sure it's in bite-sized pieces because you don't want to have to eat a whole head of broccoli in a piece of pasta. After that, we're just going to stir fry it for a little bit in the rest of that butter, adding in some white pepper and salt to this. And once your broccoli is finished cooking, add in a little lump of unsalted butter and melt that down. And once it's melted, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of heavy cream. After that, add in some chopped up fresh parsley and about 1 to 2 cups of freshly grated Romano cheese. After that's melted, add in your freshly boiled pasta and add it into your pan, giving it a good stir before you add in that delicious chicken back into it. And we're going to let it sit on a low heat and kind of simmer for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes depending on you, and letting it thicken up. And once it's thickened up, go ahead and add in a dash of nutmeg. Trust me, this makes the difference. And after that, all you have to do is plate it up and enjoy. Bye now.